All right, going to be taking a look at stock ticker symbol DOLV. Right here is going to be the last time that we've looked at this one right here. Okay. Well, what a gap up off of that. Holy cow. You guys gapped up all the way down there and it just pulled back. If you're not too sure what gap ups are, I definitely encourage you to watch the video. Penny stock gap ups don't do this. You'll understand a little bit more about what they are and how they work. Again, 217. We'll watch for a bounce off this area of buying interest return. Support at 0024 and 18. Resistance at 003336 and 38. And guess what happened? You guys, boom, the next day, you guys didn't bounce. You went the wrong way. You were supposed to open up a little bit lower and rally up. It's not funny. I mean, I understand that if you're in there and you're up there, it's not really funny. But hey, if it's a bad thing, try to make fun of it, or turn it around and have a little bit of fun with it, because it might be looking brighter here now. Let's go ahead again. We've been able to get away with drawing some nice trend lines here with the last few stocks that we've looked at. We're going to be able to do so again here with this one. Again, coming off of this support. So if you're watching this one looking for that opportunity, great job to the person that brought me these over here. I believe it was on Reddit. They gave me the list of tickers. Shout out to you for bringing us a heck of a set of tickers here to go through. And like I said, I will definitely try to get through them. So that's what we're doing. We're going through them one by one and knocking these out. I know you've requested these a few times here. So look at that. Okay, there we go. We got our line set up here. Now we're going to go ahead and zoom in here and pay attention to the things that we want to see. One thing before we get too close into the chart, pay attention to Powerball XR. That's way up here at 216. That's been really pushing it down now in a bearish move as far as the chart technical analysis goes for just about a month. We're going to be watching for that turnaround. But more importantly, look at this. You guys, 1, come back down to that trend line. 2, and now you guys are in that eagle nose right here with the 10-day simple moving average just holding it down at 0026. Watch for that buying pressure to come back. The volume is going to need to pick up if you'd like to see that happen. Volume has really dropped off. That's the only thing that's kind of making me a little nail biter there at 6.48 million shares. Watch for that volume to pick up and push you past that. If you guys get a close above 0026 or 0026 or above, this one's going to get ready to roll. So that was what I'm going to add into here for now.
All right, so with this one right here, David, I'm limited on the information I can pull up, obviously, because it's got the stop sign in pink, no information. So what I did was I went through, looked to see if there was any like news or whatnot, what's going on with them. What I found was on December 31st, 2015, there was a supplemental information that was published over there on OTC Markets, and that right there was regards to like a few different things that were happening within the company. Like the CEO resigned on, what day was this? The 29th, I believe. Well, that, and then at the same time, it was a completion of acquisition or disposition of assets. So on December 30th, 2015, the board of directors agreed to acquire Patriot Development Corporation, which is led by Steven Stein and is involved in the acquisition and sale of commercial and residential property throughout New England. To date, the company has acquired 18 properties located throughout Massachusetts and Connecticut. The company and its real estate assets have an estimated market value of $2.615, so $2,600,000. That was pretty much that, and then it goes to departure of directors or principal officers. So this right here is basically stating that the gentleman resigned, and then that the guy that they acquired the position, that company, Steven Stein, was the appointed sole officer, director, and president of Dolat Ventures. So, I mean, that was that. This all happened, and then the company kind of went silent. So, that's pretty much it. So, well, I guess it's anybody's guess what's going on, but I mean, obviously there's interest in the company, and maybe Mr. Stein will become active and bring his company up to date on things. So then we will know what's going on. As always, if you have an opinion or you know something of the company, feel free to go to the DOLV message board over on Investors Hangout and share it with the tens of thousands of like-minded investors that are using the site daily.
All right, there we go, 0025. Watch for a close at or above 0026. If I could go ahead and put the right zeros in there, maybe I can get it together here. Chart is setting up. It just needs volume here. 0026 is going to be resistance with 333638. Support at 00240017. And as always, if you're watching this video and you feel like you've learned anything, make sure that you hit that like and subscribe button. We'd appreciate that very much. If you have a hot stock that you're following other than DOLV, make sure you head over to investorshangout.com/live and let us know.